New from SUR&Rs are push-to-connect AC line repair technology. This technology allows technicians to make everyday repairs quickly, affordably, and without the use of specialty tools. Examples would include repairs on things like pinholes, cracks, or rub marks. You can also block off a rear AC system. We offer two types of fittings. We have unions and we have block-offs. And each of these fittings offer several key features. One, they're marked on the end with the size. That makes product selection very simple. They have a locking collar. We also have a HNBR O-ring in the interior. That's material designed specifically for use with AC line repairs. What this produces is a long-lasting, safe repair connection that's good up to 450 psi, standard working pressure, 1800 psi burst pressure. So they're great for use anywhere within the system, high or low side. Another big advantage is the material type itself. These are made of aluminum. They're lightweight, easy to use, easy to handle. Another big advantage, because we're working with aluminum line, no dissimilar materials, thereby reducing the potential for corrosion. Installation is simple. Cut, deburr, cleaning the interior of the line. Chamfer, the exterior of the line. Take some memory cloth, clean up the remaining debris. Take your fitting, take it by hand. Again, no specialty tool required. Push it, you bottom out, and it's done. So again, this is a huge advantage of being able to make that connection by hand for technicians working in tight spaces, again, without the requirement of a specialty tool. In terms of availability, you can get them individually. We also offer assortments. This is the ACR 60. This includes both unions and block-offs. SAE, this is 5/16 to 3/4. We have the ACR 70M, again, unions and block-offs, 8 to 19 millimeter. We also offer 4 smaller assortments where you can get just unions or just block-offs. So whatever works best for you, we have a great availability in terms of configurations of these products. Again, to summarize, this is tech-friendly technology, allows you to make a safe, long-lasting repair that benefits the technician and the vehicle owner. Great technology for great repair.